You are. Somebody told me one time, this thing I'm doing, I'm not going to give up. I said, brother, you must give up. Giving up is a skill. You have to know when to give up. If you hold on to what God is not backing up, if you hold on to what the system, the structure does not support, you will give up the ghost. Now, because you're an adult, you have the freedom to hold on to anything. No matter how sincere you are, people are sincerely in prison. People are sincerely poor. Sincerity is not the factor of production. Land, labor, capital, entrepreneur. There's no sincerity there. You can be sincerely stupid. You can be sincerely foolish, right? You can be confidently, assertively dumb. These are realities. Do you understand what I'm saying? So you have to outgrow the limits of sincerity, just like hope. Hope is a tool of performance. It does not perform. You just can't be hopeful all your life. There must be strategy, right? Because hope is not an independent variable. It's a dependent one. You need to add a lot of other things to hope to bring sense out of it, right? If all you are going to have is hope, then you are that person who has celebrated destiny away from your own sense of mission and sense of thoroughness. Meaning that if God says I will be rich, I will be rich. If God says I will be this, I will be that. Really? So I tell them, you believe that much in destiny? Then go home today and you are hungry. Don't put the yam on the table. Don't cut it. Or put it on the table, put the knife, put the match, don't light anything, don't put any water, don't put any pot. And say, if God says I'll be full, I'll be full. You're not going to be full. You are going to die there. And if really you begin to pray and the yam begin to cut itself and enter the pot, and the oil enter the pot, will you stay in that house? Will you eat the food? That is the stupidity of how we pray and how we hope at times, right? When we think that outcomes can be generated without our own cooperation. It's the same idea about this, somebody is doing you, about diabolism, and all of that.
People from your village.
People from your village and all of that. A curse in itself requires attitudinal cooperation for expression. If I'm hardworking, right, and you say I'll be poor, you are wasting your time. If I am lazy and you say I'll be poor, there's attitudinal cooperation to your pronouncement. So the universe agrees and providence ensures that becomes enforced.